Hello, creative soul. If making art is on your list of good intentions for 2026, I have good news for you. On January 10 and 11th, in Emeryville, San Francisco, I will be leading an art workshop called Develop Your Artistic Voice. It's a 2-day collage and mixed media immersion designed to awaken your artistic cosmos and discover your artistic voice. For 2 8-hour days, you'll explore essential collage and mixed media techniques, but more importantly, you will learn how to source inspiration from within. You will learn how to activate your imagination and discover your personal visual language. You will not just make art, but learn how to make your art. Mornings will bring art history sessions using slideshows with work of famous artists, and then demonstrations, of course, of various collage and mixed media techniques. And afternoons are for guided studio time for quiet, supportive time where you can make your own art in a sort of meditative environment, and you can explore your own ideas. We will be a small group. You will get plenty of personal attention, and I'm sure this weekend will produce deep creative transformation for you. You will remember this the rest of the year. You will walk away not only with 2 artworks of your own, but with a renewed sense of self-expression and a visual language that is unmistakably your own. I am Annette Luijks. I'm a collage artist, educator and writer from the Netherlands, and my work is rooted in the soul, in human potential, self-discovery through art. I love exploring my inner world, using the imagination, focusing on how life can be a fairy tale, and I love surrealism. I will guide you as you uncover your artistic signature, not by imitating the world outside, but by discovering the world within and revealing it. So, remember, develop your artistic voice, art workshop in Emeryville, San Francisco, 10 and 11 January. Spots are limited, and I'm looking forward to meeting you there. The link is below. Let your inner world take shape on 10 and 11 January. See you soon. Bye bye.